Hey guys, so there is so much meme coin alpha and I think crypto is coming back. I won't be surprised if Bitcoin actually goes to 100,000 maybe at the end of this month, but if you're talking about meme coins, here you can see the Ghostface Killer, basically one of the main members of Wu-Tang Clan, the hip hop group, has basically talking about Solana, some meme coins, and here you can see Tolly, the co-founder of Solana Labs, actually reposted this and basically wrote this 36 chambers was permanently glued in my Sony Discman. So that's probably the Wu-Tang Clan album. And what this means is that if he creates a meme coin, if he creates a ticker, launches a ticker, it will most likely go pretty high because you see the co-founder of Solana Labs is basically promoting it unintentionally, but he has a lot of followers. That's why there will be a big pull to this meme coin, and I wouldn't be surprised if he basically launches his meme coin quite soon, because he will most likely try to capitalize off this hype. Now, how you can follow him is really easy. Go on premium. Now, first of all, I will actually show you how you can go on basically buy as fast as possible as soon as he posts. So you basically go on Bullex. This is invite only. Invite link is in the description and in the comment section. This basically has a wallet tracker. This has a Twitter tracker. Soon you will be able to follow specific accounts like Ghostface Killer himself. And why you want to use this is because this is the fastest platform where you can buy meme coins as soon as they basically come out. What this means is that you can set your own gas fees right here. Just set, for example, this gas fee to 0.05 and you will be already in front of 99.9% of people that are buying with Phantom Wallet or on exchanges, because they cannot set their gas fees. That's why if you are setting your gas fees higher, you will be basically able to buy before everyone else that is buying with Phantom Wallet, because you can set your gas fee, which means that your transaction will go through faster, and set your buy bribe as well a bit higher. So that's basically how you can buy before 99.9% of people. Now, how you can track, for example, he posts a ticker, you don't want to be late, so what you do, you go on premium. So this premium only, you have to pay $9.99 a month. You go to X Pro, and why you want to do this is I will show you. So let's wait when it loads up. So here is the X Pro, which means that you can create lists, you can create specific people that you want to follow. And why you want to do this is because you don't have to refresh, you don't have to scroll. You just basically open this window and you wait, for example, for Kanye West to tweet, for Ghostface Killer to tweet. Also, FIFA talked about meme coin. Here I have Ansem because he's just talking some weird stuff, for example, and meme coins are created. And why this is good, because this refreshes itself. It will just basically show up as they tweet in first few seconds. What you want to do is add column lists. So create a new list. And this will be the Ghostface Killer. So let's write Ghostface. Next, here you will be able to add the specific people. So here he is, and done. I just created a new list. Now you will see here I have a list of Ghostface account, and as soon as he tweets, he posts something, I will see it immediately. I don't have to scroll. I don't have to stumble upon 5 minutes later, 10 minutes later, as most of the people do. As soon as he posts, I will see it. I will copy the ticker, go here, go on this search bar, paste it. For example, you will have to send some Solana. And for example, I just enter 1.20 Solana. And buy, and I have my settings ready. I will buy before most of the people, and this will come in handy when we are in a proper bull run, where there are so big meme coins coming out that they are basically congesting the Solana, and there are transactions not going through, phantom failing transactions, and this BullX will not fail. That's because you can set your own gas fees, you will front run everyone else, and imagine you buy and only after you hundreds of thousands of people buy, and basically they are pumping your bags. Now how you can fund your BullX is easy. You go to a wallet manager, add funds, and here you will have your own wallet address that you want to copy. And if you have some Solana on Phantom or Coinbase, you send Solana only to this address. And yeah, that's how you will fund your wallet, and everything else I already showed you. You can track wallets, go on ColdScan. Here you will see the biggest meme coin traders, even they Portnoy or Ansem, you will see their wallets. For example, Ansem was talking to Kanye West a few days ago. Here you see everything that he's holding, and you can basically copy his wallet here. Go back to BullX, wallet manager, wallet tracker, add wallet, write Ansem, enter his wallet because I already added him. Here you can see, and you basically can see everything that he has made in last hour, in the last 7 days, all time, basically profits or losses. So that's a great tool, BullX. Again, invite only. Invite link is in the description and in the comment section. One of the biggest meme coins that I'm buying more and holding is Dog and Me. It was basically announced. Here you can see, right here was the announcement that it will be listed on Coinbase. Now, here you can see it basically went, I think it did like 10x or something like that, market cap. So let's go here. Market cap went from 23 to 62, so it basically did 3x. If we go from here, it made almost 6x gains. Now what happened to Toshi? And this is why I am buying Dog in Me right now, as it goes up. Every little dip I am buying, because here you will see the Toshi. So here is this was basically the place where it was mentioned that it will be listed on Coinbase. And here you can see the market cap went from 50 to 100, basically 50 million, around that. And only after it was launched, here you can see price went from 130 million to, here it shows 600 million. Actually, it was 900 million. So that was around 7x. If you count from this point, from 50 million, because Dog in Me right now is around 50, 60 million. It basically did like 15x, 16x. So if Dog in Me goes to 900 million, it will be as well from this point. If you're buying right now, if it goes to 1 billion or 900 million, it will be 16x gains. That's why I'm so convinced that it will do similar pattern to this one. And I'm hopeful, because we are in a not that great markets, but I feel that we are quite bullish, and I will show you something huge. So if you're talking about NFTs, this basically, I saw this a while ago, and here you can see it is actually going up from the all-time highs from basically previous bull run. It is actually going up, which surprises me, because I don't feel it, but obviously it's going up. If you're looking at the last 12 months, you can see NFTs are pumping, which is crazy. And if you followed my calls, if you bought Good Vibes Club, there was a possibility to join my Patreon, and you could buy this for 0.069. Mint up to 3 per wallet, so you could even create multiple wallets and basically mint more than that, even 10 or 20, because I had so many mint opportunities on my Patreon. And yeah, I'm posting everything on Patreon as soon as I see it, all the alpha. Basically, you could get 3x for these citizens of Wipetown. And if you basically could pull out some rare ones, you could even get thousands of dollars, because I got a rare one and I sold it for $1,000 profit. So easy way to make money. And basically also I did a research and I explained you why this is a legit project. And here you can see the floor price is going up. And yeah, they are legit project work. They have worked with Facebook, with Facebook Messenger, Apple, American Express, and many more huge brands. And yeah, that's basically what I want to tell you. Again, I think Yeezy Kanye West coin is still coming. Here is something. So here's basically the tweet. Many people think that Yeezy coin is already live, and here was the coin. So here you can see it went up to $70 million, I think. Kanye West actually retweeted this sticker and it went up so high and it dumped back, but still people are holding $20 million in market cap, which is quite high in these markets, because people think that Yeezy Swastika coin could be the actual Kanye West coin. I don't know. I will not risk my money, but if you do your research, you maybe could risk something. Not financial advice, but here you can see many huge people are actually talking about this Yeezy coin. Some people think this is the real one. Some people already made hundreds of thousands of dollars. So congrats to people that made money. Here you can see it basically went so high up. So yeah, that's basically it. The biggest thing from this video is that Ghostface Killer, the Wu-Tang Clan, basically one of the people in the group, will be creating a meme coin most likely soon. And we have so many meme coins coming. I think the bull run is still coming. Some people are predicting that we will see 100,000 at the end of March, maybe even all-time highs. And these are some respectable people. That's why don't fade the space. I feel quite bullish because NFTs are pumping. We have people creating meme coins. We have dogging me because I have made around 5 videos about this coin. The next coin that no one is talking about, but will be 99% chance that will be listed on Coinbase, and that's my opinion, is Base God. Now Base God, I think market cap is around 10 million. So 11 million. And I think this will most definitely be listed on Coinbase because Jesse Pollack has been talking about this non-stop. He has been talking about this like 6 times in his podcast. Jesse Pollack is the founder of Base Chain, and Base is basically founded by Coinbase. So yeah, Brian Armstrong has mentioned TYBG as well, the founder of Coinbase. So yeah, so much alpha. Do your own research. Don't fade the crypto. The next 4 years will be insane. There have been talks about buying unlimited amount of Bitcoin from the Trump Intel. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, again, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.